how to use this application here so you can get all your scriptures today and for tomorrow. So make sure to watch the video and stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen. At the home screen here, you may have some scriptures that the application gives you to read. Also, you have a prior section here, which also gives you to read, and also gives you some other sections which you can read as well. At the top, you may see an lightning icon. This pretty much shows you strict or how consistent is you are using your application and reading the Bible scriptures. So down here, you may see Bible. You can go in this section here to pretty much get random scriptures to read, or you can tap on the search icon here to pretty much search for the scripture you want to read. And also they are giving you suggestions if you don't know where to look. So that's pretty much it for that deal. And at the top here, you may see a globe icon which says NIV. Let's tap on that there. This is pretty much the New International Version of the Bible. You can, however, download more versions of the Bible if you wish to do so by just tapping on the more version, and you can look for the version that you want. And also, once you have downloaded the version, pretty much can add it. As you can see here, just go to the same section, but it will be added here. Once it's added, you can pretty much just tap on it, maybe having access to that version of the Bible. So here you have some other guides. If you don't know anything about scriptures or anything at all, it does give you guidance as to what you want information about. Whether it's the Old Testament or it's the New Testament of the Bible, you can pretty much show guidance. Let's say the resurrection, the death and the birth of Jesus. You can find that in this section here. So my profile section doesn't show much, just show some short clippings of what the application can do, and that's pretty much it. So over here, you realize nothing much. The settings option where you can pretty much put the application in dark mode, which makes it much better to see. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. And do keep in mind, if you don't want to read it, you can always let the application read it for you. You can buy the stop on this here. And at the top, you may see a headphone icon. Stop on that, and it will pretty much give you the option to play it. And not just play it, you can also download it for further listening. So let's say you're on the road, you don't have an internet connection, and you got an headphone, you got a phone, you're good to go. Just download it, and you're pretty much good to go. So it works for every one of the scriptures, not just this, everyone. So that's pretty much it, as you can see here. So that's pretty much it for today. So if I missed anything at all, you may want to ask me, comment below. Also comment below prayers for me. But with all that said, guys, make sure to subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.